Hello everyone. My name is Deborah and I am the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. And so this morning I am going to do the start of a crochet dowel. Amigurumi, I believe I don't know if that's the correct way to pronounce it, but it's a little crochet dowel. I'm going to do my own pattern, but I want to show you what I'm using. I'm going to use, I love this cotton. I love this cotton, super soft, and the color is, if you can see it, see if I can get it on the camera. It's 100% cotton. And it is called Antique. There it is. I can see Antique Gold. So this is the color I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to get it started because it's a pattern that I'm going to do on my, I'm going to have to take a lot of notes with it. I'm just going to show you how I get my first foot started for this crochet dowel toy. I like to do what is called a double, they call it double magic ring. I like to do it because it basically helps keep it a little bit tighter than what most the single magic ring does. So I do it like this. I'm gonna repeat it again, but I take the yarn, just a little edge of it, I take my 2 fingers and I wrap it around twice, and of course, and then the third time it just kind of hangs over. Of course it's going to have a real long tail, but that's okay, I can always cut. But I put my yarn hook in the middle of this circle, keeping it as straight as I can. Just let me go back. This is I'm using a size D, 3.25 millimeter, size D. I don't know the brand type. I have so many crochet hooks, but again, I'm taking my 2 fingers, I'm wrapping it around. The third time, I just kind of let it hang. It has a tail on this end and a tail on this end. I'm gonna insert my crochet hook and I'm gonna let it drop. And then I'm gonna take my working yarn, which is this side, and as you can see, I've already got lots of yarn barf, so I'm going to have to put this into a ball before I get started, and so that I don't get more tangles along the way when I'm working. That slows you down. And I'm just going to wrap my hook around it, bring it back through and up so that it looks like that, and then I'm going to wrap it around again and bring it through one time. And then because I'm doing a single crochet stitch, I'm going to do 6 crochet stitches into this. So as I do this, I go 1. Some people like to do chains, but I like to do it this way. Some people don't like magic rings. 2. There's 3 single crochets. 4, 5, and 6. That's the extent of it. And then what I do to make sure that it's tight is I will take this and I'll start pulling on it just a little bit, just to see which one starts pulling first. And once I see that this one is pulling, I will take it and I will pull this other side so that it is real close, because what I'm seeing is, be careful because I see, pull that so that it pulls this side tight, really taut and tight, and then I will take the string, hope I'm on the camera, and I will pull it. And that creates my double ring. And so from here, I will go on to make my pattern for my crochet dowel. And that is the double magic ring. Till next time.